So you have a recent launch that we were looking into, ecdsa.fail. What is that?
Basically found this paper by Google earlier this year where they said that they got like a way better result for breaking basically Bitcoin public keys and getting their private keys back. So if you find someone's address on chain, you can steal their private key and then sign a forged transaction from them to get their sort of coins into your wallet, that sort of thing. And they had a way better algorithm than anyone else did out there. But since it was so sensitive, they wouldn't publish it. But instead, what they did is they wouldn't publish their circuit, which is literally just like a set of like wires and gates and a bunch of operations happening on them. What they would do is they published what's called like a zero knowledge proof of their circuit. So they basically ran a piece of code to prove that they had a circuit with like some good properties, basically a low number of wires and a low number of gates. And what I chose to do from that is basically try to reverse engineer their solution, get back to it, get to something sort of state of the art by taking their zero knowledge proof and turning it into basically a benchmark. Since they had a verifier that would take in a circuit and output basically its sort of properties, what I did is I took that, turned it into a benchmark, and got a bunch of agents to write different circuits until they got to something close to what Google got to. And on my own, I got to like basically double the published sort of state of the art. So excluding Google's sort of private point. And then over the last 3 days, I guess, since like Saturday, I released it to our team internally. They were able to sort of like double my performance.
Wow.
Wow.
And then I opened it up yesterday to sort of anyone to be able to commit and sort of contribute to. And they increased it even further. And right now we're 13.4% ahead of Google's circuit in terms of their resources required.
So we not just recovered, but exceeded what Google did.
And this is like a classified best solution out there, like it was too sensitive to release sort of thing. And just a bunch of people throwing their like agents at it, covered it, improved it. And there are a bunch of people in our Slack. It's been a blur. I stayed up all night. I'm actually like missing a quantum intro to quantum course that I'm taking right now to finish up my degree. But there are people in the Slack talking. We have like some of the top professors in the field basically like coming up with ideas, sharing them, getting people to run their agents on them.